In American English, we have two L sounds, light L and dark L, and they're both much more simple and lazy than students realize. So to make the sounds, of course, we need to start out by using pathway of the voice, which means engaging the diaphragm to bring the air from the bottom of the lungs and wait for that air to travel all the way up, and then start our voice by activating the vocal cords. After that, we just need to change the shape of the air as it exits our mouth by softly creating contact with the front part of the tongue here. I call it the pad, and the alveolar ridge, I call it the gum ridge, which is the hard part that's behind the teeth that curls up back here. Ooh, 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 ooh. What you notice is that you don't hear any release of the L sound. And that's the main mistake that I hear from students. First is they try to use the very tip of their tongue, and then they try to release the L like this, la, 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 la. But that's just too perfect for American English. Remember, we don't need to create any perfect sounds. We just need to change the shape of the air. So our American ears recognize the difference between a neutral open and when we're making contact with the tongue and the gum ridge. Ooh, l, l, la, 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 le, li, li, l, lur, lu, lie, low, lay, liu, loud, loy. The dark L comes when we have an L at the end of a syllable. And to make it, we just add one small extra movement, which is to softly shift the tongue back in the mouth so that the air comes up and around the tongue and through the mouth. Sometimes we slide into the position of the light L, sometimes not. But you need to make sure you're keeping your voice moving forward and your vocal cords activated. Oh, all, all, al, l, eel, ill, ul, earl, ool, isle, old, ale, yule, owl, oil.